Okay, so what we have here is a KitchenAid refrigerator, and the complaint is that it's not coming on, it's not running. We do have lights on the inside, and it is getting cold, so actually it is running, but there's an issue with the temperature. And then when we go here and we select the panel, can't get anything to light up. It's dead. So what that is a defective main control board. And what we're going to do in this case is we have a control board here that we're going to install in. And you go to the back, there's a panel here where you want to take that cover off. And then that's where the main control board is, what we're going to install. The issue is this has to be programmed. With this model, you have to program the board. You can't just put it in. You have to put it in and program it. So you have to have the codes to put in order to set it up after you put the board in. So this cover comes off like so. That's the board there. This cover comes off too. So I'm going to get a screwdriver and take this off. And that's the board. So, what we're going to do is unplug it from the wall, and then what I'm going to do is unplug this harness, and this harness. And then there are two clips here that you got to push down. You have one clip here and another one here. And this whole board will pull out. So I'm going to have to put the camera down for a minute so I can do that. Maybe I can try it without doing it. One second here. for the camera work. I'm gonna have to drop this camera for a minute so I can get two hands into it. There you go. Now, this comes out like that. Set this down on a chair. And then we'll put this board in. Now we see if we can program it. Drop the camera for a minute. Okay. So now I'm going to take this and snap it right into place. Okay. I'm not all the way there. It looks like it though. You gotta be careful when you push it. You don't want to break the wafer. There we go. You want to snap in. Perfect. Now either that or it might have been two clips that I can't see because I don't have enough light. Enough clips? I think it's good enough. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. Then we're going to take this here and push all this stuff back in. Right here. Right here. And then right here. Perfect. Now let's see if I can get this. Cover right here to go back on. Whoop, I'm missing one thing. It's gonna be this. Like that. Okay. Then this goes this way. Take the screws. Then put the screws back in, like so.